had to tell you that you entered, watch out now, you're going to get a ball to play with, you would have been ready, right? You selected your place, probably according to your friends, according to your convenience, according to where you would like to sit. But how the stress balls came and how the balls came, you hadn't any plan. Build me just one vast house as a favor. The carpenter obliged and started work. But his heart was not in work. It was cheap material. He didn't do a good job as usual. It is
Along the road that I am walking, I find myself, I come to know my heart. And there step I learn a little more about the one that I am. Like the tree beside the road, standing through the wind and rain, I lift my heart toward the open sky and breathe in life again. The wind becomes my faithful friend. The changing seasons walk with me. Upon this road I'm writing down the story of my life. Even the nameless grass in the fields looks up toward the sky. Even the quiet roadside tree reaches to the light. So today I walk my road once more, standing where I'm meant to be. Sunlight gently falls upon my path, lighting the way for me. Along the road that I am walking, I find myself, I come to know my heart.
And every time you say, yes, now I believe. I keep them complete. I keep them happy. I keep them straight.
Like the tree beside the road,
delicate. I said to you, careful one day.
standing through the wind and rain, I lift my heart toward the open sky and breathe in hope again. The wind becomes my faithful friend. The seasons keep their promised time, and every step I take becomes another line of life. The flowers in the open fields bloom where they were meant to grow. The trees beside the quiet road still reach for heaven's light.
Okay, enough.
Today again I walk my road, standing where I'm meant to be. Sunlight gently rests upon my path, guiding every dream I see. Along the road that I am walking, I find myself, I come to know my heart here upon my way.
Give us the strength. Thank you, ma'am. I now invite our principal, Reverend Father Panjim-Goa, to present a token of our love and gratitude to teacher Lucette da Silva Virgincar.
तुमसे पहले भी तो जिंदगी चल रही थी, सुबहें आती थी, शामें ढल रही थी।
I wish to extend a heartfelt gratitude to teacher Lucette for her insightful session, which will definitely help us teachers support our students with greater care and understanding. That Lucette, we appreciate your valuable knowledge and guidance that you have shared with us today for the practical sessions, and we will definitely be more empathetic, caring towards our students. Then we will work on the ideas of team spirit, introspection, self-discovery, and also analyze on ways of how to build a rapport with our students. Dear ma'am, we have also learned, just as we get stressed, our students also will be undergoing different situations at home. Thank you for giving us a helping hand in order to guide the youth of our institution to excel and reach their true potential. Thank you, ma'am. Let us all give a big round of applause to Teacher Lucette.
फिर से जाग गए।